How to add Sezzle to Apple Pay. Open the Sezzle app on your iPhone. Log into your Sezzle account. Go to the Sezzle Virtual Card section. Tap on the option to activate your virtual card. Wait for the virtual card details to appear. Copy or note down the card number and other details. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the Add Card option in the Wallet app. Choose to add a credit or debit card. Select Enter Card Details manually. Type the Sezzle virtual card number, expiry date, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify the card. Wait for confirmation that the Sezzle card is added to Apple Pay. Use Apple Pay with the Sezzle card for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. Thank you for watching.